Okay, this is the motorbike for Pastor Pelomino Jose Jr. And behind this motorbike is our World Missions Director, Reverend Jaime Pereira Sr. and Brother Jubik, the one who picks the motorbike. The one who give a very sweet smile, that's Pastor Jaime Pereira, your friend. So, okay, so this is close up, close up smile. Okay, yes. Abilis to tuwa. Okay, okay. So they are now about to travel to Gihulngan. Then later on we will follow them because I have something to do at the church. That's my beautiful wife. Oh, Sir Carmel is feel ashamed. So remember that the motorbike, the white motorbike. Do you remember the Pastor Peter drove you to Gihulngan? Natikangkang mo? Remember? Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.